In this question, we are given a point P. It is said that it is given that it is on the parabola y square is equal to 4x. So from this we get that given point will be in the form of let's say this t square comma 2t. This is a point of this is how given point P will be, and it is said that distance from center S to the this is the only point having shortest distance from center of circle. Circle is given by x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 16y plus 64 is equal to 0. So this circle equation will be simply, if you write down, it will be x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equal to 4. So that means the radius is equal to 2, and center is given by 2 comma 8. So center S is equal to 2 comma 8. So distance of point P from center S PS is we get as t square root of t square minus 2 whole square plus remaining thing will become 2t minus 8 whole square. So that is equal to square root of this 2 in t power 4 minus 2t square plus 4 plus 4t square. So that will become 4t square minus plus 64 minus how minus 32t. This is the distance. We know that we get we have said that PS is minimum, so that means this is at its minimum. So that means half into that means d of PS by dt must be equal to 0. So then we get half into square root of this whole thing into d of this thing is 4t cube minus t square, and this is 4t square and this is minus 2t square, that is plus 2t square. That plus 2t square is plus 4t. If we divide minus 32 is equal to 0. That means 4t cube plus 4t minus 32 is equal to 0. Here we have done a small mistake. This is minus 4t square. So this 4t square and this 4t square get cancelled. There won't be any term like this. So it simply becomes 4t cube minus 32 equal to 0. So that means t cube is equal to 8. That implies t is equal to 2. So our point P, which is nearest point, will become t square, that is 4 comma 4. So 4 comma 4 is the nearest point. So we got the point P. Now option A wants us, let's see again. Option A wants us to see what is SP, that is distance from center to the point P. So PS is equal to square root of 4 minus 2 square plus 4 minus 8 square. That is simply square root of 4 plus 4 square is 16, that is square root of 20, which we get as 2 root 5. So PS equal to 2 root 5, that is option A. So option A is right. Then for option B we need to find out SQ is to QP, and Q is said to be the point on circle which is on the line joining P SQ. P and S. So let's see. SQ is to, we know SQ is equal to 2 since Q is a point on circle and 2 is the radius here. So QP we can get from SP minus SQ. So that is equal to 2 into root 5 minus 2. So that is 2 into root 5 minus 1. So simply SQ is to QP will become 2 into root 5 minus 1. That is equal to root 5 plus 1 is to 4. So option B is wrong, because the option B says it's root 5 plus 1 by 2, but here it's root 5 plus 1 by 4. So next we need to find that x-intercept of the normal to the parabola at P. So normal to the parabola, point P is 4, 4. We know that tangent will have dy by dx will be equal to d of we know that y square is equal to 4x, so this will become 1 by d of y square by 4 by dy. So this is given by 1 by 4 into 2y. So if you take it, so that is simply 2 by y. So that is equal to half. So half is the slope of tangent at the given point. So this is what slope of tangent to parabola at P. So now we can simply find out the slope of normal. So slope of normal is simply half into m is equal to minus 1, m plus m equal to minus 2. And option C requires us to find out the x-intercept of this. So x-intercept we can get as y minus yp. P is the point through which it is passing, is equal to m into x minus xp. So that becomes y minus yp is simply 4 is equal to minus 2 into x minus 4. So this we get as y minus 4 is equal to minus 2x plus 8. So that implies given line is y plus 2x minus 12 equal to 0. So x-intercept is simply given as putting y equal to 0, we get x is equal to 6. And option C says x-intercept is 6, so C is correct. So we get C is correct. Now finally we need to find the slope of tangent to a circle at Q. So slope of tangent is simply we get as let's draw the graph to understand this. So there is this parabola like this. This is y square equal to 4x, and there is a circle, so with center S, and we know that this is a shortest distance. So we know this is point Q. So point Q we simply get, since this is the shortest distance, we know that this is simply perpendicular to this. So we need the slope of this tangent. So tangent slope will be just normal to the line drawn from P to S. So that is from PS slope will be is equal to 4 minus 8 by 4 minus 2, that is minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2. Now we need the tangent, so tangent slope is simply m into minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Slope will be equal to half. So slope of the tangent at Q, slope of the tangent at Q is at Q, slope of tangent is simply half. So option D says it is half. So finally we get option A, option C and option D.